Hello everyone, so we're at Premier Inn, Blackpool Beach. I'll show you the room. We're in room number 22, which is a family room. You can just see how big it is. It's actually huge, got 2 single beds and a double. It's actually a massive room, this one, compared to some of the ones we've been in. Looks like it's had a refurb as well, this one. But yeah, it's alright, does the job. We're only here for one night only, in Blackpool. Yeah, we'll do the job, won't it? For one night only.
It's about £100.
So yeah, we've paid £100 for this room for the night, but it does include breakfast for all 4 of us. So, and we're obviously right in Blackpool. You can't see. The window's not very good, but over there is the beach. There's a church, and just beyond that is the beach and seafront. So yeah. So here's a view from the Premier Inn from the outside. It's quite basic. It's like 1, 2, 3 blocks to it. 3 blocks, and then the Brewers Fair next to it, right next to a petrol station. But what's good about this one? The car park here, town's just over there, so you walk up there 2 streets and you're on the beachfront. This is a car park you have to pay for, and this one you obviously get included with your Premier Inn stay, and you can extend it and pay extra in here. So yeah, that's just a quick look at that. I'll probably show you the breakfast in the morning. So here we go, you've got the entrance where you come in for your breakfast, and here's a look at my plate. Unfortunately I already started eating it and then I realised to take a video of it. So sausage, egg, beans, hash brown, bacon. So you can see everything laid out there. Obviously a lot of it's already been consumed because it was quite late when we came down for breakfast. But yeah, it's alright for what we paid, to be honest, for breakfast. You've got all your cereals, you obviously got your hot food, which you've just seen. You've got lots of milk. You've got coffee and tea making facilities, fresh fruit, and then a quick look, you've got pastries on the opposite side. So yeah, I hope this was useful if you're thinking about booking to stay in Blackpool. It's a really convenient place and not far from the pleasure beach at all. So thank you very much for watching, and see you again soon. Bye.